let's look at the ingredients. So the first thing we'll need is seaweed, dried seaweed or togi seaweed. This is the first ingredient we'll need. And then I've taken some meat, chicken pieces, and I've separated the meaty part and from the bones. And I'm taking the meaty part. And also you will need some sesame oil. This is organic sesame oil that I got. And you will also need some fish sauce. This is must ingredient. You'll have to use it anyhow. And some chopped garlic for the taste. So let's start. First you'll have to soak the dried seaweed. Okay, for 5 or 10 minutes. You'll have to soak the dried seaweed. And after you soak it, you'll get a fresh seaweed out of that. So let's start. First we'll boil the water and then add the seaweed, the soaked seaweed. After we add it, we'll have to cook it for approximately around 12 minutes. We'll have to cook it alone for 12 minutes, around 12 minutes. Give it a stir, nice stir, and then we'll let it cook for 12 minutes. I'll cover it and let it cook for 12 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of the things. अभी ये boil हो चुका है, and then it has come to boil. Now I'll be adding the chicken pieces. You can also add, it's not necessary you'll have to add only the chicken. You can add beef, or you can also add some seafood. Anything like prawns, squid and all. But I prefer chicken in my seaweed soup. Now I'll add the chopped garlic. And also add some salt to taste. After we do that, I'm gonna add some fish sauce. You can add 2 spoons. According to your taste, you can add 3 also, but I'll add 2 spoons of fish sauce. And then I'll give it a good stir. अच्छे से मिला लो इसे. And then I'll cover it and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. Now it's almost done. After 30 to 40 minutes, It's almost like done. Now I'll just, yeah. Lastly, I'll be adding the sesame oil and it'll be done. A spoon of sesame oil and I'll give it a good stir. फिर मिला लेंगे अच्छे से. And it's done. Ta-da! It's ready. The tasty seaweed soup is ready. Thank you for watching.